So here's how to delete Windows Update files. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and search for the File Explorer, then open it up. Then you need to go to this PC, then go to the drive that you have your Windows installed in. So for my case, I have my Windows in drive C, so I will go into that. And then from here, you need to go to the Windows and scroll it down and find out the software distribution folder. So here is the software distribution folder, and then simply go with the download, and there is the temp file of the Windows updates. Then you need to select all of these files and simply tap on the delete button, and then do this for all current items and continue. So there you have it. So that's how you can delete Windows Update files to free up space and boost the performance. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.